The journey began on the 13th of April 2018, late night around 11 p.m., and we caught the bus. And on the way, we had our dinner, we had our tea somewhere. There was a very beautiful bridge where we had the tea. It was made out of beds, actually, cots. We continued the travel because we started a bit late, so we also reached a bit late only. And while going, you have that energy, all that utsah to just enjoy and have fun and not care about anything else. So we had our fun, we sang, we danced. And that day I was actually supposed to go to a workshop, a belly dancing workshop in Pune, but I missed that. But I'm happy that I got to do a little belly dance step in my bus travel itself. We reached the hotel around 11:30ish a.m. on the 14th of April 2018. Hotel Viva, Kalangut. Very beautiful place to stay. Huge place, spacious rooms, clean toilet, very good service. Housekeeping was good. The place itself is very well decorated and adorned with so many beautiful things. You just can't have enough of it. The lift is a problem, but then everything else was fine. We definitely clicked a lot of photos and selfies, and it was nice to see a lot of art around, a lot of creativity. It is nice to be amongst such places where you actually not only get to enjoy the city or the town, but also the nature and greenery that surrounds you. This is the outside area, basically the entrance to that hotel, where there are many trees, there's a well, there are stairs, again I think LGBT stairs that go up, and you can just go there and relax or maybe dance as well. So I tried my luck as well. I also went there and it was nice to be there really. That evening we went to Baga Beach. So me and one of my acquaintances, let's hypothetically call him Ram, we actually hired a bike because it would have been much easier for us to travel for some hours that the bike was with us. And we went to the Baga Beach, 4 of us actually, and just enjoyed the view, the beautiful sunset. We were thinking of doing some activity, at least a boat ride, but somehow that didn't happen. But just to be there, just to see people enjoying and just to touch that water is just awesome. To enjoy at a beach, you do not really need anything else but just to be there. Just being at a beach is more than enough. The next day morning, we went to the Kalangut beach, which was very close to the hotel, and it was not very densely populated at the time when we went, around 7 a.m. or 7:30ish a.m. or so. And that was also a beautiful experience, and to be there and to hang out there. These selfie videos have to be clicked because that is the only proof that I actually went there, isn't it? This time I did not really get wet in the water. I love doing that, of course, and it is thoroughly enjoyable, but I have a few dreams to be met, few desires to be accomplished before I can actually go into the sea water with someone. But I enjoyed it, no doubt about it. Of course, there are some thoughts that I always wait for their accomplishment, and I get what I want, as simple as that. And until then, I'm just happy, having fun in life. But of course, Sagar Sonkar comes with rules and regulations and discipline. This is our ride back to the hotel from the beach. It was just beautiful to pillion ride and just to sit and enjoy and just go automatically to the place where you want to go without taking efforts. All that you need to do is hold a camera and keep smiling. Around 12 noon of the 15th of April 2018, we checked out of the hotel and started our journey towards Old Goa, where we were going to see a couple of places, the famous church, and just to hang around there for a while. And we had our lunch there as well. It is just so nice to see so many different types of buildings, colorful buildings in Goa. It is just so nice to see so many different things at different places. You just can't get your eyes off from the window. So many beautiful things to see that you usually do not really get an opportunity to see. We went to the church in Old Goa and definitely enjoyed there. On the way again, that was an even more sparsely populated place, and to go through a very small village was just awesome. This beach was also very nice. It was a nice place to relax and just be there. Really, at a beach, I don't think you need to do any activity in order to feel excited and happy. You just need to be there, bask in the sun, and keep clicking selfies and selfie videos without fail. Don't forget to smile. Then our journey back home began, and we halted at a place to buy some cashew nuts. There was a huge, humongous Sunday market that was launched there, and we just walked through that market and bought a couple of things for ourselves. I bought chocolates and cashew nuts and some other stuff as well. On the way back, we halted at a very nice place which served Gharguti Jevan. It was around 9:30 p.m. of the 15th of April 2018, and we had our dinner there. All's well that ends well, and that dinner was the beautiful note on which we ended the trip. That was the last meal that we had together, and it was tasty.